Hi everyone, Selim TANIŞ video. Today I want to introduce you 220 square meter full sea view with private swimming pool, very wide garden for rent villa in compound. My dear customer, the villa is full sea view. Okay, this is your private swimming pool. I start the villa from the opposite side. This side is the balcony. Also from the garden you have sea view. And this is the master room. 4 rooms, 3 bathroom, clean villa. And this is the master bathroom. And located in Kojali Başiskele, Bahçecik. This is the common bathroom. This is the normal bathroom. Master room located this side. This is the another bedroom. Another bedroom located this side. This is the third bedroom. Now the villa is clean. 4 rooms, 220 square meter, sea view rent villa. This is the entrance of the villa. This is the entrance of the villa, and here there is car parking lot. The entrance of the villa, the right side there is living room. The living room is useful and wide. There is also a fireplace, garden terrace with pool and garden. Okay, from garden I am located in terrace view. Okay, this is the sea view. The garden is so wide. There is also private swimming pool. Outside view of the villa. 2 parking lot, 2 auto park. This is the kitchen. There is oven, hood and cooker. This side is the kitchen. The villa is clean. The left side there is cabinet. This side is the cabinet. The up floor has 2 bedrooms. This is down floor, another bedroom. And from here to here there is extra bedroom located this side. For more detail you can contact with me.